I get very happy when I see progress in the last 2 years. क्योंकि क्या हो जाता है ना, सबकी गाड़ियां रुक गई थी. या तो लोग बहुत काम कर रहे थे और बाहर निकाल नहीं पा रहे थे, या तो लोग काम कर करके बोर हो गए थे and they stopped taking out new stuff. Well, today I'm so happy to see a very smiling face in an Indian outfit. Dhwani Bhanushali, thank you so much for joining me. And next to you is a gentleman who I have not had the pleasure of meeting, but looking super handsome. And of course, video की तो चर्चा बाद में, but
Very
I
sweet
think
boy.
both of you are matching each other really well. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. Gurfateh, thank you. Welcome to Be For You.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, sir.
How-
Thanks for having me as well.
All right. Now tell me first, you've got this sensation, है ना? When she started off, there were lots of questions that were always asked. Ki why is she taking singing? Then she proved everybody wrong. Billions and gazillions of views happened. You are an actor who's been in the industry. You're there. You're figuring out who's this person. Your first impression of Dhwani Bhanushali is what?
My first impression of Dhwani Bhanushali.
Yeah.
My first impression was actually, I mean, I had heard of her and I'd heard her songs and everything, but and I had also, like, my manager had told me, like, she has 3 songs which have hit like over 1 billion views and stuff.
Billion. Yeah, we got to see a billion.
Yeah, 1 billion. Yeah. So I was like, oh, that's mad. Yeah, that's very rare. So
Yeah.
I mean, the first time we met, she was obviously super sweet, and like we met at the dance rehearsal. Yeah, and so yeah, it was. I mean, obviously, like I was expecting her to be exactly what she's not. So that was great that she's not that.
Yeah, she has no entourage. I mean, I don't know. Has that changed? Do you have a big entourage now?
Anybody here?
No.
No. And she doesn't eat. She doesn't eat at all, and she's always on like a little coffee and all that.
Now I
No, she
eat.
eats.
Now I eat.
Oh, you're eating?
कितना तक नहीं खाएगा फिर मर जाएगा खाना पड़ेगा
I know lots of people जिन्होंने ये बिल्कुल परहेज कर दिया है. So you catch up there, and I think everyone understands the power of the online content. I think so many careers have been unfortunately destroyed, and I say destroyed because they don't understand that they need to tap into this potential. बहुत सारे एक्टर्स ऐसे हैं, बहुत सारे परफॉर्मर्स ऐसे हैं जो वैसे बहुत नोन है. there are two different frames of or frameworks of people that exist now. एक जो ऑनलाइन स्टार्स को जानते हैं और जो ऑनलाइन से वाकिफ हैं, और दूसरे जो सिर्फ बड़े पर्दे या टेलीविजन या रियल लाइफ में लोगों को जानते हैं. एंड समटाइम्स द वर्ल्ड्स डोंट मिक्स एट ऑल ओनली. Dhwani, you managed to bridge a gap because both the worlds you're a part of. Have you now thought that maybe the online world has become more overpowering than the real world and can actually stand on its own?
Everything's online now, I mean, but at the same time, if you don't want to be on it, like Ranbir Kapoor is not on, Instagram. He's nowhere, but
He is. He just doesn't have his official handle. He has his fake handle, the shadow handle, which he keeps an eye on everyone. I've been in the car with him.
visibility. So we all have our own Instagram handles. So there are some exceptional cases like Ranbir Kapoor, but I feel like if everyone eventually is going to come onto this digital world, which is very essential, I feel, to reach out to your audience. And at least I believe in it. मेरा तो पूरा existence ही digital है. When you talk about YouTube, when you talk about Instagram, it's all social. So
No, but there also, Dhwani, there's a bifurcation, I think. Social media is okay. There your stardom of the real world also use. There is a specific set of the biggest YouTubers in the country that are just known in that world and have a huge following and such a loyal following. I know because I have them, sometimes come on my talk shows, and the kind of traction, the kind of comments, the kind of the love that people have, even on this video, on your own handle, in an hour you got 1,500 comments and counting. That's when you get to know the real love. Does that scare you also? It's also a very nice thing to have, but I know a lot of YouTubers that say that किसी की जरूरत नहीं है सर अभी. अब हम अपना करेंगे, अपने साथ रहेंगे, and that's it.
I feel like artists, why should they depend on anybody for that matter to, release their music? At the end of the day, तो मुझे जो करना है वो मुझे करना है ना. मुझे किसी पे डिपेंड नहीं होना. I think that's the most dangerous thing. अगर मैं कह रही हूँ कि इनकी वजह से मेरा कुछ अटक जाएगा. Why should I? There shouldn't be that. मेरे को वो fear होना ही नहीं चाहिए. मेरे को So there's a platform called YouTube for a reason, na? So that there are streaming sites for a reason, so that musicians can do the music that they like, irrespective. चलो numbers दूर की बात है, मतलब वो दूसरा topic है. But अगर there's a particular sound that जो मेरा है, तो मैं क्यों ना ऐसे जो गाने मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं जो मैं बनाती हूँ वो रिलीज करूँ? Why should I depend on opinions of other people? That doesn't make sense to me.
And this current world, I think it makes a lot of sense to actually take that individual choice. Gurfateh, do you sort of browse a lot? Are you somebody who's very in the online world only, not just social media, but just spending a lot of time? Like watch time on my phone is sometimes 11 hours, man, because I'm playing a video game or I'm out of the house for 18 hours a day, 19 hours a day. What's your watch time like on the phone?
I mean, I obviously, like, you're taking a lot of calls and stuff, but apart from that, like social media and stuff, I think it's a double-edged sword here. And I think since the lockdown, I also realized, I saw the screen time, and I was like, you know, this is a lot. Like, I'm practically spending half my day on the phone. Yeah. So I think you eventually have to make a conscious choice to also sort of like detach from it, because as good as it gets, it also gets as bad too. Because there's a lot of hate that you get, especially if you're a public figure. Everyone sort of has an opinion on your life, and they feel, validated if the person, like, if a certain person also like gets hurt by it or whatever, all these things. And also, I mean, like she said, I don't think the numbers and all, it's a totally different game though. But I think with the social media coming in and becoming such a huge sort of like a platform, it's also great for these people who are sitting at home, like TikTok for that matter, and all these that have come in.
It's an opportunity.
Yeah, anyone can like do something and like become a singer for that matter. That Bacha song just came.
Yeah.
Like a little
Baspan ka pyar. Yeah.
I heard it once and I was just like humming it, and I was like, why am I doing it? Like, stop.
Yeah.
So even though that's great, but then the other side is that I feel sometimes the hype could be wrong also. You know?
Huh?
You feel that? Sometimes.
Huh?
Listen, hype का जो पर्सपेक्टिव वो होता है ना, that's all a perception builder. वो किसके नजरिए से आप देख रहे हो वो हाइप होता है. मतलब बहुत लोगों को लगता नहीं है.
There are some singers that
बहुत लोग खुद अपनी हाइप घर से बना देते हैं और फिर
मतलब सर वो अलग-अलग लोग होते हैं, मतलब बट अच्छी बात ये है कि it gives you an opportunity to show your identity, which is
सब नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
नहीं, don't worry. देखो, as long as किसी के नाम नहीं लेते कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. But you know, your name is a much newer name. Let's put it that way.
तो एक तो नाम इतना खूबसूरत है आपका.
for 2 days.
My name is what?
I said आपका नाम is a new name. It's a newer name for our audiences. और नाम इतना खूबसूरत है. So you know, when you're making decisions about what work should Gurfateh pick up, so you have to figure out, you know, like, should I be doing this song? क्या मुझे ये movie audition करनी चाहिए? मुझे इस film करनी चाहिए? Should I also do a lot of TV? Are there a lot of thoughts when you're trying to build a career and build a name? You want to choose the right path. I think शुरुआत में you make a lot more thinking decisions. बाद में you go with the flow. So what's been your strategy?
I think mine has been exactly the opposite, because I mean I've been here in this city for about 2 years now, and I mean when I came in, I obviously didn't know anyone. There was no DCA, there was no Dharma, there was no Karan Johar, no one, like, you know. On. So
8 years ago, I was in college.
Yeah, but
not even college, in school.
Yeah. So Mani, you're still very young.
So you can't use that age card with us because you're still very young.
So I'm 23. So you say 8 years ago, there was actually no Dhwani Bhanushali at the time.
No, but matlab, like, these names weren't there, na?
Correct.
And I was also, I don't consider myself a name right now, but
bro, you will be really big. Mark my words. I will write on stamp paper.
But so yeah, like I always came in with the mentality that beggars can't be choosers. You've got to come here, you've got to audition, you've got to, you know, work hard, be the best version of yourself that you can be. And once you start working, I think after a certain while, when I walk into the room, if the other person knows my name, and he knows 1-2 things, or he or she knows 1-2 things about the stuff I've done, then is the time that I can strategize or like maybe make a decision that do I want to do this, do I not want to do this. So I think I'm thankfully in that space now. I've been reading a few scripts. I listen to like songs. I think Mani's song was I think the fourth or fifth song I heard, and like I didn't have to think twice about it. I was like, okay, done.
Sweetie.
Let's do it.
But it's not just a track, yeah. I like the picturization also. And I think here, if this was where Dhwani was earlier with music videos, now she's here and gone up. Like the performance is fantastic. I have to say, both of you were brilliant. Just in the first like minute only. Like, you know, there's so much going on, but it is very well done. So I'm saying I was pleasantly surprised with each video with you, Dhwani, and now I think you've killed it. Now I think you own the camera, and I think this is now you're calling. It's about time. We've discussed this earlier whether you should ever become an actress in a longer format. I think the time has come. Have you become comfortable enough to do that, you think?
So it depends totally. Like I think it's a different films are a different ball game altogether, and I'm still learning. Like I've started classes and all.
वो भी वीडियो भेजने वाले संजय लीला बंसाली को उसके बाद फिर देखते हैं.
No. See, pehle she used to say, no films. Now your answer is, see, films are a different ball game. So I have to get ready. So, आप में भी काफी परिवर्तन आ गए the way you answering this question. So I see something happening very soon. I'm very excited about that.
But now that I see that, I also have to check now how much I can actually do. मतलब मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा?
So, but are you finding it? Have you sort of like taken to a fish to water with performance? You know, with acting, and it's a different setup also. You know, when you're doing classes and all also, you then have to realize that am I going to be primarily a singing performer, or am I going to be also a singer and an actor, and you know, different kind of things. In your mind, what is the number one thing?
In my mind, I think for now, so for sure music, and that's going to be there for the rest of my life. But also if you know there's a story that I'm really interested in, and you know something that comes my way, or something that's being worked on at the moment, I'll definitely sort of do it.
The script is already being written as we speak. I like it. That's the way it should be. You know, good for that. Do you have favorites in the industry when you're trying to like, you know, like so someone like you mentioned Ranveer. For me, he's the quintessential superstar. Okay, and whenever I hang out with him, I said he's the only man crush I have when he comes on TV. You know, on the big screen, I mean, pyar ho jata hai. But it also does not necessarily mean that he became the most successful actor. The most gifted, yes. But I think Ranveer was a prime example of somebody who wasn't considered as gifted earlier and then just took it to the next level. You know, so everyone's got their own bits. So who would be your kind of, you know, not a name, but what's the kind of career that you're looking at? Do you think that, you know, you want to do the hard tasking roles with the big artists and then make a name and then, you know, sort of cash in on that success?
I think the best sort of career trajectory that I've seen in like my time, I haven't really watched like old the films because it's not that when I was born I decided that you know कि actor ही बनना है. I think I go with Alia Bhatt in the kind of choices that she's made. I think it's been phenomenal. She's changed her game. She's picked up these indie films like a Highway or something, which was I think the second or third film.
Second.
Yeah, second film.
Second film, and then Urta Punjab happened, and then she you know Kapoor and Sons and a lot of other commercial cinema as well.
She's had a perfect blend.
Yeah, so I think that's the ideal trajectory that I would be looking at. But in terms of actors, I think Ranveer and Ranveer both like they're at par right now. Like you said, Ranveer's like phenomenally gifted, and Ranveer is just like a hard worker. Like I think I met him while he was prepping for Rocky Rani in Delhi, and the kind of prep he was doing was insane. Like I haven't seen a lot of Indian actors, especially mainstream. I mean, most of the actors I meet, they don't really believe in prep.
Yeah, that's true. You know, for them a role changes contact lenses and a beard. For longest time in our industry, that was about it. And I think that was the different actor that they used to bring on screen.
Yeah, like just like physically change the look and then like the rest, let the magic happen.
But don't you have to change your insides also for like the character to come out?
For sure.
You know, so that debate is, I think, forever because a lot of artists and the biggest stars, you know, Salman and whoever it is, you know, there's such a crazy fandom that is involved with the numbers, you know, and I think box office dictates so much to it. And I know a lot of them have also tried it. You know, even someone like Salman, who sometimes is, is, well, people say that, you know, he won't experiment. He has experimented and they didn't work because they did not work at the box office.
The
And
audience
so when
certainly wants certain things that they want to watch a certain kind of films.
Yeah. So like with you also, I'm sure you will also reach a stage, Dhwani, where this is Mehendi, it's a beautiful track. Even if you're supposing you want to do like a rap song, you know, and you want to like start rapping, there will be a sort of, I mean, you could, because it's about writing, it's about an artist. But there will be trouble in your mind also. You'll say, agar nahi chala to?
So can I tell you something honestly?
एक तो why you call me sir? I call me sir.
Sorry, sir.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Sorry, sir. I just want to say that I'll have to experiment now. Eventually, I am also doing it. Like the next song that I'll do, it's going to be completely different. Like it's already ready and all. But I just want to say that it's very important for me in my head to also not get monotonous, you know. Because अगर मैं same चीजें ही करती रहूंगी तो मतलब मुझे भी मजा नहीं आएगा, फिर मैं नहीं करूंगी. चलना ना चलना फिर वो बात
But
की.
that's the trade-off, ना.
सेम चीजें करके तुम्हारे बिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज हो रहे हैं, और अलग चीजें करके अगर 5 लाख व्यूज आ गए या 10 लाख आ गए तो फिर डर भी लग सकता है.
That's a, I don't think, see, I did Radha.
Yeah.
I did, before that, I did Nayan because I genuinely liked, you know, I love Navratri, and that's why I've done Mehendi again. But Mehendi is different from Nayan. It's not the same. So I'm going to have like a gradual change, but I'm not going to do something completely drastic.
But that I think will also stay. With age, your music will change, and I think your styling will change also. Yeah.
Organic है वो. मैं पूरा life थोड़ी college में रह सकती हूँ.
आप कौन सी इंडस्ट्री की बात कर रहे हो? पूरी लाइफ यहाँ पे लोगों ने कॉलेज में निकाली है till the age of 60. It doesn't matter, chill. This is Bollywood.
I feel like वो लड़कों का है. नहीं, but लड़कों भी मुझे समझ नहीं आता है. मतलब वो अलग conversation. मैं क्यों बोलती हूँ ये सब? Sorry.
Tell me something. What's the yeah? So now this is a question to both of you. What's the one thing that, you know, you've had to change, Dhwani, about yourself in the last? You're a veteran now. 5 साल, हाँ 5 साल हो गए तुम्हें.
No.
5 साल हो गए तुम्हें इंडस्ट्री में.
कुछ 5 साल नहीं हुए हैं.
4 साल. 2 साल तो पैंडेमिक हो गए. झूठ बोलना बंद करो.
5 साल हो गए.
हाँ तो 4 और 5 में इतना फर्क है. Oh my God.
नहीं तो ये मत बोलो प्लीज. Honestly मत बोलो. वो
but
यहाँ सब पैंडेमिक के चक्कर में सब करो. 2019 में जी रही हूँ थोड़ा सा.
अच्छा, what's the one thing you've had to change, do you think, to fit into the industry? Because you were always like, हाँ ठीक है मैं यहाँ हूँ, because that's the medium. But the one thing that you felt you had to change about yourself.
I had to change about myself. Of course, I had to lose weight and all. But not anything from within, you know, like physical structures can change, but I don't think I've changed as a person. I've definitely grown in terms of understanding music, in terms of understanding the whole process. But the rest of it, you know, like I don't care about the politics that people do. I don't care about nothing else. So if it starts to get negative for me, I get out of that place.
Now you just go for holidays, and that's the beauty. Y'all are
always
I don't work with that person again, or I don't. I'll be like tata.
I like this.
है ना, अगर मेरा craft खराब हो रहा है, तो मैं रह के क्या करूँ?
correct. Firebrand, Dhwani, I like this. Gurfateh, you tell me what's the one thing you had to adjust to sort of fit into the scheme of things, because I still see a part of you that is a little, I know my world, I want to do it a little rebellious, और ये इसको कई बार बॉलीवुडाइज किया जाता है. हीरोज को करना ही पड़ता है. वो कई बार इतने आउटस्पोकन नहीं रह पाते हैं.
So I think he was so scared. I'll tell you what, huh? Said Dhwani लोग मेरे पे हंसेंगे. Like नहीं हंसेंगे.
But why you are singing?
Because he's not done this.
I've come from a very method acting sort of like a school of thought, and like I've had a very different kind of a training for acting, and like Guilty was a conscious choice exactly because of that. But I mean, but that's fine. I anyways wanted to do this song because I wanted to hit that, you know, commercial Bollywood
But
space.
You look, I was just going to say, you look like a veteran for this kind of performance. पहले शॉट से जब तुम ऐसे कूद के आ रहे हो, ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है.
Looking too kind to us, sir. You called her a veteran, now you called me a veteran.
So हम इतने छोटे बच्चे, ये 25 साल का, मैं 23 साल की हूँ, आपने हमको वेटरन बना दिया.
Excuse me, तुमने आलिया भट्ट की बात की थी. उसको 8 साल हो गए और वो 25 की अभी हुई है.
वो 28 की हो गई हैं.
अच्छा, sorry.
32
I am
नहीं है.
so sorry.
I
दो
think she
तीन
looks
साल.
only 16. I love Alia
Listen,
Bhatt. Like, I feel
now
she's
you are speaking like
such a
those.
phenomenal actor.
No, but it's true. You know, it's not like you looked awkward, yeah. And that's what I'm saying. I saw this video. I've seen Dhwani. I've told you when you looked awkward at times. This was not one of those, yeah. And good for that. You look like totally like you're born for it.
I mean, thank God. But but I think that's exactly the one thing that I had to change. I had to adjust to one. I'm a very introverted person in life, so obviously I had to be okay with the idea of being out there in public, and also how you have to like mingle in these Bollywood situations and like go out and get yourself out there, and also the fact that to get gauge that meter of the right kind of acting, which is it's also natural, but it's also a little bit over the top, heightened sort of realism. So yeah, I mean, I hope I've hit that in this song, but let's see.
That's a lot of thinking, man. That's a lot of thinking. So, would you rather do a Ram Gopal Verma with a gun, old school Ram Gopal Verma with a gun, company kind of film, or would you rather do the colorful cinema that is there right now, which allows you to get away with without too much method acting?
I mean, in an ideal world, in an ideal situation, I would do both. So I hope I can create that.
No, I think you fit the look for the former, but I think the latter is where I think the rest of the world will also jump in.
Industry has changed, and I think,
the numbers.
yeah, unfortunately, that's how it's become.
So hopefully it'll.
The numbers now, before I leave you all, I have to discuss numbers. Do you ever sit back, Dhwani, and look at the amount of, the numbers that you've created, the fan mail that comes in? Do you reply to all of them? Are you diligent with all your fans and all those kind of things?
Yeah, so I mean, I also follow a couple of fan clubs that because I feel like
Fan clubs are dedicated and how? Huh?
yeah, I love them.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like it's human nature to love people that love you. I mean,
No, but it's also such a lovely feeling how people are dedicating a large portion of their day for you.
that's really wonderful, and I feel very blessed to have that. At I wouldn't you already call me a veteran, but I think it's pretty early in my career to also have that, and I'm just very grateful. So I always like whenever they post something, and I'll always like keep it make it a point to periodically talk to them, or if they have trouble they like DM me, and then I'll just try to like help them out if I can. But and I feel like they make your whole world, like in terms of digital. Whenever anything comes out, they're all out. Like with Mehendi also, they were all out to support me, and they still are. So they're very important. Not because just because अच्छा मेरा गाना आ रहा है तो तुम आके post कर दो. I feel like it becomes family of people that love you, love the work that you do, and I feel good as an artist to have that.
Yeah, and they love you as a person and not a character that you're playing, which happens to a lot of fan clubs, which is the great thing. But this is also a big move, and the whole world will ask you this. You all have branched out on your own on this one. So, is there a little bit of fear factor, or is it just that, bring on the world and let me just take everything on headlong?
So वही
Ain't no fear.
डर के क्या करेंगे हम?
डर का तो टाइम चला
डर
गया.
का टाइम चला गया.
She is a veteran now. मेरी शुरुआत है तो शुरुआत हो गई है.
But let me add that to a veteran, she was a child prodigy. तो child prodigy से veteran का वो टाइम कम था तुम्हारा. यहाँ मैंने सेटल कर दिया डेबिट क्रेडिट. अगर एक तरफ veteran बोला तो child prodigy भी बोला. But it's brilliant.
That I have to learn and experiment and also do as an artist. So मतलब
नहीं वो तो हमेशा रहेगा.
yeah, वो तो always रहेगा. And
No.
there are so many in the business to learn from also. Like he said, Alia Bhatt, I think she's so good. Even I look up to her like a lot.
And she also had the similar journey, weight loss से लेकर सब कुछ. And she also used to get a very similar journey from her father also used to speak a lot to her. And I remember being at some press conferences where they used to say, आप तो महेश भट्ट वाली फिल्में करेंगी ना? तो she stopped then. She was 17 years old, 18 years old, and said, कैसी टाइप की फिल्में? क्या मतलब है आपका? Even then she used to defend her dad on the kind of cinema. She goes, you have grown up watching my father's cinema and you're telling me that I shouldn't do his cinema.
Exactly.
Yeah, it was a great comeback, and I remember she had that she belonged, because एक तो ये film industry की जो family होती है वो अलग रहती है, right? She was born into that family, so she's seen, and her father's anything but conventional, and even her sister. So I guess
I think so. I feel like the sort of cinema he's done, I think it's really phenomenal.
it's performance oriented. I mean, that's some place I think, Gurfateh, you should actually go into that zone, because a Bhatt film gives you so much scope for performance. It may not get your 100 crores, but at least aapke dimag mein you'll have a film that you have done that you will be proud of as an actor.
Yeah, no, of course. I mean, that's obviously on my list at some point if I'm lucky enough. But or भी मतलब दोनों.
And so I think all of us want to do it all, yeah. You want to also be creatively satisfied plus have the numbers. So I think a balance of both is perfect.
A hybrid world will exist eventually. I'm really looking forward to seeing a lot more of you solo in the future, Dhwani. You're gonna have all our support, and I'm so happy to see you. Just look like, you know, such a happy bunny right now. You know, that's the best part of it, and that's how you should be. You should just be happy doing work. Yeah, a lot of the times I think in our industry we've been compartmentalized. यही कर सकते हो, यही करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. And the online world thankfully has allowed us the freedom to be able to fight those compartments and break free.
Absolutely.
So congratulations and thank you for joining me. Thanks, guys. Good luck.
Thank you for having us. Thank you, Salil.
All right, bye bye. Take care and good luck. Like I said, solo journey away from a brand, away from a label, and I think that always gives you the freedom to do what you want to do. The weight of the label, the fan following that the label carries, is the advantage you get when you are with the label. So we'll wait and see what the future holds for Dhwani. But for now, she looks like a happy bunny, as I said. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Make sure you like, subscribe, be for you entertainment. I'll see you.